Good morning, fourth graders. Guess what we have today? We have two-step word problems. Well, I have one, you have many. Anyway, here is the problem. Jeff places a pineapple with a mass of 1,070 grams on a balance scale. He balances the scale by placing 2 oranges, an apple, and a lemon on the other side. That's why we call it a balance scale, because that will balance that. In other words, you know that those items add up to 1,070. That's what balance means. Each orange weighs 320 grams. The lemon weighs 210 grams less than each orange, but we don't know the mass of the apple. That's why we're asking, what is the mass of the apple? So this is going to combine a couple of operations. Let me lay this out for you. First of all, there's my pineapple weight. Yes, I can say pineapple, I promise. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and add that into my presentation here because, and what color would a pineapple be? I'm going to choose this. It may not be perfect, but I think you get the idea. So there's my pineapple, right? And then I've got my 2 oranges, my apple, which I don't know, and my lemon, which I do. My orange is 320. My other orange, well, is 320. So what's my lemon? Well, it's 110. How did you get that, Mr. C? I'll show you. Oh, and my apple is A. Right now it's unknown, so we're just going to call it A. How to get my 110? Well, I took the 320, I subtracted the 210 because the lemon weighs 210 grams less than the orange, or as my son used to say when he was very small, the orange. So 320 minus 210 is 110. That's the weight of our lemon. So let's play that out. There is 320 twice for my 2 oranges. My 110 once for my lemon. I add those together, I get 750. You see that? So to balance the scale, the apple has to weigh how much? Well, guess what? I'm going to have to do some subtraction here. I know, you've done this before. I've got 1,070 grams for the apple, subtracting 750 grams for the 2 oranges and the lemon combined. I'm going to find out how much the apple weighs. How exciting is that? Guess what? It's 320. Oops, and we should put grams in there because this is all about the grams, right? Now you may be asking yourself, or me, Mr. C, why in the heck is this problem in this particular module? I mean, we could do this without grams. True enough. I did not write this problem myself. Basically, I did a copy and paste. And so I apologize for the fact that it's not exactly real world in terms of having to do the calculations that you've done before with the grams. But at least you're off the hook easy, right? So we'll do this problem or this homework set today, and then we'll do a practice assessment on Tuesday, and then you'll have the test on Wednesday. I think it'll be pretty easy. In fact, I'm tempted to not give you a pretest, but I've done that before, and this is nothing on you guys, but I've done that before, and it's been a spectacular fail. I think it's always nice to give you guys one last bit of review and then have at the test. Anyway, we're in here under 5 minutes. Very exciting. Ask questions if you get stuck. And yeah, it should be a relatively short lesson, but take your time and do it right. Thanks for listening, guys. Talk to you soon.